You guys will never guess what is behind this wall. Look at that. The General Lee. I found one here at the Discovery Park of America in Union City, Tennessee. Isn't this a beautiful, beautiful General Lee? Nicely restored. Now this is actually a 68 model, but that does not diminish the fact that it's a General Lee, because they use 68 models in the show. When they could not get a 69, they got a 68, and they did conversions on it to make it look like the 69. Isn't this gorgeous? And it's in beautiful condition. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Beautiful interior. This interior looks a lot different from what I have seen on other General Lees. Now, if you are a true Dukes of Hazzard fan and you know your General Lees, you'll recognize that this General Lee is not a 69 Charger. It's a 68. And the way you can tell is those round tail lights there and that round marker light on the side. But that does not diminish the fact that this is a General Lee. And I'll tell you why. Because in the show, they used 68 models. And they converted them by taking out the little round marker light. As you see here on the front of this one, there's no marker light. They would change the grille, and they would add a grille that had the little metal piece right here to make it look like the 69 model. And the very first episode of the Dukes of Hazzard, the General Lee that was jumping over the pile of dirt in the town of Hazzard, that was a 68, and it had down here along the bottom had a chrome piece, and that gave it away as well. But it was a 68. So what do you think about this one, y'all? Isn't this a beautiful car? Leave me a comment below. Tell me what you think about this General Lee. I love it. I would certainly like to have this car. It would not matter to me one bit that it's a 68 model. I would love to have it. It is absolutely beautiful. Very beautiful car. Thanks for watching, you guys. Until the next time, make your stay an adventure. See you later, y'all. Yee Haa!